Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 ways you don't know about NFT and how to make quick money from it. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. You do not need to be a digital artist in order to be a successful NFT entrepreneur. NFTs, contrary to popular belief, are not only used in the realm of cryptographic art and science. As a matter of fact, there are numerous NFT-related applications in a wide range of industries. The artist people recently sold a piece of NFT artwork at Christie's auction house for $69.3 million. However, it is possible to make a fortune in other ways by utilizing NFTs in other ways. If you're thinking about starting a non-traditional technology company, I can help you. In this video, I'll discuss some ideas for launching a venture involving non-financial technologies, NFTs. What exactly are NFTs? In their most basic form, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are non-fungible blockchain assets. Instead, when you exchange one Bitcoin for another, you are effectively keeping the same asset, just as you would if you were exchanging $1 bill for another $100 bill. Because these assets are fungible, they can be traded from one party to another without losing any value or altering the nature of the asset being traded. NFTs, on the other hand, are a different story. As unique works of art that have been codified on a blockchain, they are incapable of being modified or replicated in any way. NFTs cannot be traded on a one-to-one basis, as fungible tokens or bank notes can, because no two NFTs are identical to one another. Those who create original artwork or other digital documents create NFTs, which become the only verifiably original versions of their work, with all other copies being nothing more than copies. NFTs are currently considered speculative assets in the art world. Since the beginning of 2017, when they were first issued on the Ethereum blockchain, they have been in existence. As a result, artists and art vendors have sold original NFT art, which is analog art media such as photos or paintings that have been converted to digital and coded into a blockchain, for fiat dollars in the years since. What began as a speculative hobby among blockchain enthusiasts has blossomed into a full-fledged industry, fueled primarily by speculative art buyers looking to make a profit on their acquisitions of artwork. However, a growing number of entrepreneurs are looking for innovative and profitable ways to bring non-ferrous metals to the market in order to maximize their profits. I've compiled a list of my top 10 business ideas for entrepreneurs looking to make a name for themselves in the non-traditional financial services industry. Keep in mind that this is not an exhaustive list of possible options. When it comes to potentially money-making ideas for NFTs, the sky is truly the limit because the industry is still in its early stages. Number 10. Create an NFT online course. If you know a thing or two about the NFT ecosystem, including how to mint, produce, and sell them, you might want to consider developing a course or masterclass to help newcomers get their feet wet in the industry. Depending on your level of expertise and financial investment, you could charge participants for a week-long bootcamp or a semester-long course, for example. Number 9. Write an NFT-themed blog. Content about NFT that is well-written and informative is in short supply on the internet. Any blog that covers NFTs and the news that surrounds them has a huge potential readership, so get started now. After you've established a loyal following for your blog, you can begin to monetize it with advertisements or affiliate links. Number 8. Create an NFT forum. NFT creators, sellers, and enthusiasts need more places on the internet to discuss their projects with other like-minded people. Creating an NFT exclusive forum that competes with Bitcoin Talk could prove to be a very profitable venture, especially if you include banner advertisements. Number 7. Become an NFT broker. NFTs are being purchased and sold in unprecedented quantities. Because of this, there is a high demand for secure, encrypted marketplace and brokerage platforms that allow buyers and sellers to view and commission NFTs while also transacting with them. Number 6. Craft an NFT newsletter. Many, if any, NFT-themed newsletters are available, and none of them go into depth on the subject. a short monthly or weekly newsletter that compiles all of the latest news from the National Football League (NFT), including press releases, major auction sales, and market developments, could prove to be a very profitable venture for the publisher. Number 5. Write an NFT ebook. It is not unheard of for a cryptocurrency ebook to generate royalties in the 6 figures and even 7-figure range from its sale on the market. If you're a talented writer, you might want to consider self-publishing an ebook on NFTs that explores the subject from as many perspectives as possible, while also providing actionable advice to those who want to get started in NFT investing. Number 4. Create a white label NFT service. An online service similar to Shopify is required for the NFT market in order to bring projects to life with little or no additional development. In the event that you are successful in launching an off-the-shelf NFT service to assist in the development of NFT ventures, you could quickly rise to become one of the most popular white label platforms in the blockchain industry. Number 3. Become an NFT artist. Whatever your skill level as a physical artist, there is nothing that prevents you from creating digital art, even if it is purely abstract in nature. After that, you can convert the artwork into a non-traditional medium and sell it on popular forums such as Reddit, DeviantArt, or WetCanvas, among others. Number 2. Create NFT collectibles. NFTs are an excellent medium for preserving and authenticating collectibles because they are digital in nature. Authentic collectible items such as sports trading cards or autographed photographs, for example, could be used to create NFTs. Number 1. Launch an NFT app. The demand for centralized apps for buying, selling, trading, and even minting NFTs is expected to be high. If you charge a commission on every sale, creating an app that is similar to BidBeacon or BiddingOwl, but is solely focused on the NFT market could be a very profitable project for you. Are you prepared for a non-fungible future? In contrast to other industries, the NFT industry is brand new and will inevitably go through a period of development before reaching full maturity. The same is true for any business venture you start in non-financial institutions. If at first it doesn't work out, don't get discouraged. In the NFT industry, there is still plenty of room for error at this point. When it comes to new ventures in the NFT space, the situation is akin to the Wild West right now. A bold and adventurous entrepreneur will be able to capitalize on the momentum created by NFT art, which has sold for more than $11 million at auction so far in 2018. In order to get a piece of the action, you can try your hand at any of the NFT business ideas that I have provided above. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.